Both higher and higher quality standards and the possibility to best exploit the potentialities of the machine tools lead the users to improve the performances of their production process. That's why some neat oils have been developed for each kind of machining, taking care of the best use conditions linked to flow rate, pressure and temperature. The environmental impact is taken into consideration as well. However, no matter the kind, neither the trademark, the oil used in superfinishing machining is polluted by particles even smaller than 5 microns, difficult to remove through traditional filtration systems such as centrifuges, magnetic filters and paper filters. Unlike traditional filtration systems, Comat's superfiltration systems can trap all the polluting particles bigger than 2 to 3 microns, maintaining that condition for the whole filtration cycle, and allowing the oil to maintain the performances which it was chosen for. For that reason, Comat systems have been connected for more than 25 years to boring machines, grinding machines, sharpening machines, groove cutting machines, lapping machines, honing machines, deep drilling machines, and to all machining where tolerance and roughness must be strictly controlled, not to damage the quality of the end product. The main advantages that you can get through our systems are a best relationship between quality and filtration cost, standardization of the roughness and of the tolerance of the pieces, reduction of the tool wear and of the resharpening of them, reduction of the wear of machine tools, sparing of cutting oil and discharge costs, reduction of the maintenance and cleaning of machines, of their equipment and tanks, the highest flexibility in plant layout through modular systems. Today, more than 20,000 machine tools from the main manufacturers use Comat's superfiltration systems technologies.